Hi, I'm Jennifer Corcoran with Core. Welcome to Residence 2202 at the Kingsley and your private view. I can't wait to show you around. Conveniently located on 70th Street and First Avenue, the Kingsley is a full-service condominium building known for its friendly and helpful staff. Unit 2202 is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that sits on the coveted southwest corner of the building. The unobstructed views west and downtown feature sunsets you'll never want to miss. Designed with a professional interior designer, this home is your urban oasis. Enter into an open living space that enjoys natural light all day long through its 8 windows across the south and west exposures. Discreet storage around the room keeps you organized and leaves plenty of space for relaxing and entertaining. Designed for the home cook, the kitchen includes equipment from Sub-Zero, Bosch, and enough outlets to power your appliances and charge up your gear. Granite countertops and unique custom cherry cabinets complete the elegant atmosphere. And the kitchen flows right out onto the balcony to make private alfresco dining easy. The primary bedroom suite is a king-size retreat unto itself. Sleep in with custom blackout window treatments, or let the natural light flood the room. The ensuite bath contains a deep soaking tub. The second bedroom's dual exposure keeps it bright and cheery, and its own custom window treatments here let your guests sleep in as they wish. The location of the second bath provides easy ensuite and day-to-day access. The views only get better as the day goes on, and you may never want to leave your home. But if you do, besides the amazing staff, the Kingsley amenities include a welcoming lobby, a parking garage, and bike storage. And there's a sky lounge on the 31st floor with a fitness room. I hope you enjoyed this preview of Residence 2202. Contact the Key team for your private tour.